Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to rename your headphones RAZER KRAKEN in the application. You have to start by open the application and now go to settings at the right top. And right here we have a name and this pencil icon, so click on it. Now here write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna add this RAZER KRAKEN HardReset. And after you finish, click save. And now we have this new name. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.